Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create with you this very beautiful swan in Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, let's jump. As you can see, I have opened Adobe Photoshop CC and also I have created a simple document. You can create your document in any size you like. Also, you can use any color for your background. Everything is up to you. Now let's talk about all my brushes I will be using today. Basically, today I will be using only one brush. Let me activate the simple brush tool, just like this. And here, as you can see, I have downloaded new Kyle's Webster's winter brushes set. Today I will be using only one brush, 1960s background brush. I will increase size of my brush, just like that. And I will be using a light shade of blue color for my water. Guys, as you can see, I don't care about any gaps I have between my brush strokes. I have white gaps. I don't care about this. I can cover it at any time. Or if you want to have more impressionism style, you can leave it as it is. So this is my basic water. Look at this guy. How beautiful is it? Now, I will create a new empty layer just like that. I will bring down size of my brush just like this, maybe more, just like this. And I will start working on my swan. Basically, I will outline my swan, but I need to change the color. I will be using a light shade of blue color, pretty much close to the white color, just like that, and I will outline the swan. Guys, don't be scared because you are working on separate layer. You can adjust your layer at any time. You can adjust your shape at any time. So I'm working on my basic shape of this beautiful swan, just like that. Guys, so look at this. I love swans. They're so beautiful, they're so romantic, they're extremely kind. I love them. In general, I'm a big animal lover. I have my puppy, Lisa. She's very beautiful, a very sweet girl. She's 4 years old already. She's a big dog, but still she has a puppy heart. So guys, I'm working on swan's outline, and as you notice, I don't care about I'm making mistakes or I don't make any mistakes. I can fix anything later on. So just like this. And guys, I'm applying small brush strokes because specifically with this brush, if we will apply small brush stroke, we will create very beautiful brush stroke like feathers. So look at this. Beautiful feathers. I love this brush, one of my favorite. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I will not create any empty layer because I would like to blend all colors together. And if I will use same color, particularly with this brush, and will apply different colors to the same layer, I will apply very nice blending effect. So what I will do right now, I will switch to darker shade of same color, just like that, maybe a light shade of gray color, and I will continue outlining my swan, just like this. Look at this, guys. So layer by layer of different colors, we will create very beautiful swan, just like this, guys. Don't try to create everything in one brush stroke. Try to apply short, small brush strokes to create very beautiful effect. Now what I will do, I will use same color but with darker shade, just like that. I will continue working on this beautiful swan, just like this, guys. Look at this. I made mistake. I will undo my brush stroke. I will bring opacity of my brush down, just like that, and undo brush, just like that. So I brought down opacity of my brush and I will continue working on my swan. Now I have more elegant transition between my colors. Look at all those feathers, how beautiful our swan is already. Beautiful and elegant. Just like this, guys. Nothing is too complicated, right? Don't be scared. Don't be scared of digital painting, of any painting. Guys, you are creating your own art. Like Bob Ross said, we don't have mistakes. So guys, this is so beautiful and fast and not complicated at all. Now I will switch to another color. I will pick color out of my background just like that, and I will use the same color but with a lighter shade just like that. I will apply a few splashes of this color because our swan is white and definitely our swan's feathers will pick up color of all water around it. So something like this. Applying reflection to any subject, we are creating very um, we are applying very personal touching to our subject. We are bringing our subject to life. So just like this, guys, look at this. Now I will use a darker shade of gray color just like this, and just I will outline around our swan's neck. So I will bring down size of my brush and I will continue working on our swan just like this, guys. A darker shade under his neck, just like that. And here and here. Just look at this. Guys, enjoy your creation. Don't stress out. Bring your imagination to life. Because you can do anything you like. Absolutely anything. Believe me, guys, trust me. Just use your imagination. Create something very unique, very special. Something would bring your mood up. Just create art without thinking, should I apply this brush stroke or that brush stroke? Don't think about it. Just create an art. So this is our swan, part of our swan. Now guys, I will use darker shade of gray color, almost black, just like that. I will bring my size of my brush down, and voila, not too much, it's too much, just like that. And voila. Guys, look at this. I will increase opacity of my brush to 100%. Just like this, guys. And as I said many times, nothing is too complicated in digital art. Just enjoy your creation. Now, I will use a red color, maybe something like that. And voila. Just few brush strokes. Now, I will use same red color but with darker shade. I will outline here. And now I will use same red color but with lighter color, with lighter shade. I will apply few brush strokes in here. And voila, guys. So now I will be back to same black color. I will outline a swan's eye and a little bit here. And voila, guys, look at this. What I will do now, guys, I will highlight my background layer. I will create a new empty layer. I will pick color out of my background, but I will use darker shade of this color, just like that. And I will increase size of my brush, just like that. And I will create very beautiful shadow under the swan, just like that. I think it's too much, but guys, because I created shadow using a separate layer, I can bring this shadow, opacity of this shadow down, of this layer, I mean down, just like that. And I will continue working on my swan, on my shadow, just like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I will bring down opacity of my brush and I will continue just like that. Now I will switch to the white color in reflection of our swan, just like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, look at this. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will use a darker shade of our water color. I will bring size of my brush down, just like that. And I will create a very strong shadow, very dark shadow directly under my swan, just like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And voila, guys. Believe or not, we are done. We are created very beautiful, very romantic, very elegant art in Adobe Photoshop CC. We used only one brush. We used Kyle Vector brush, 9060 background brush from new winter brushes set. So guys, if you still didn't download new winter brushes set, just go and download it right now. So guys, thank you so much for being with me, super appreciated. I hope to see you later on, and if you like my tutorial, please like it, subscribe and share it. So guys, thank you so much and I will see you later. Bye.